Hello, it's me again, Alexander Ivanov. This time I will show you two ways to make the poached eggs. The first method is very simple and it allows to get the perfect result, while the second method is professional and it's faster. In the first method you have to put an egg in the plastic wrap. Remember to oil it, or the egg will stick to the plastic wrap. Then you can break an egg and close it. Bring to the boil the water and begin to prepare your bread. When water is boiling, lower the heat and put inside your egg. Turn the bread to facilitate the egg positioning. Remove the egg from the plastic wrap, dry it and put it on the bread. Serve with a sprig of dill. Wow! Look at this fantastic yolk! In the second method, you have to break an egg without using the plastic wrap. Bring to the boil the water. When it's boiling, lower the heat and add very little of white vinegar. So, leave it without touching for 3 or 4 minutes. Now you can drain it, dry it and present like before. Which method do you prefer? Leave me a comment.